Hello, good afternoon. This is Kim, and this is my stepdaughter Viv. She's going to be my model today. We're going to demonstrate the blog post I have on the Instagram, and that is the easiest smoky eye ever. Okay, here we go. Now, first of all, on the blog post, and when I'm talking about the easiest smoky eye ever, I mean it is just a matter of 2 V's. And we're going to start in the crease with our angled shadow brush. Okay, take it all the way out to the corner. Okay, a little bit more. The second line is going straight across the lashes. And the third line, look up for me, is going right under the lash line all the way to the corner of the eye. Okay, now we're going to take our shadow brush, which we're going to add purple as the base color, and that will go just directly on the lid. So there is some definition in the crease, but you still see the eyeshadow color. Now, I'm going to take the shadow brush and we're going to blend in a gentle sweeping motion, mostly from the outside in. Look up for me just a minute. Okay, look. Now see, she has no eyeliner and she has no mascara, but her eyes are already defined. Now, if we wanted to take it a step further, we could use the same charcoal color I used for the contour and the lines, or our V's. Now open your eyes. And it is more defined instead of the lighter color on the lid. Look up just a minute for me. Now we're going to take, I want to deepen the line under. Beautiful, beautiful. Now we're going to do it one more time on the other eye. Close your eye for me, honey. Okay. 3 lines, 2 V's, less than 5 minutes, ladies. This is the simplest smoky eye technique I have seen. And from years, look up, years in the beauty business, I've tried a lot of different ones, and when you are a busy person, let alone a busy mom, you have no time to do an hour makeup routine in the morning. And at Kim's Beauty Biz, we're all about making life easier for busy working women. Okay, look up for me. So we're going to blend in after we do the lines. Okay, close your eye. Now see the difference? On this eye we have the purple lid color, so we're talking probably a medium smoky eye. For more dramatic effect, we've used the charcoal color over the purple on the lid, but just for the sake of having both the same. And there you have the easiest smoky eye technique. And if you guys want more beauty tips, tricks, and hacks, join Kim's Beauty Biz. Like, share, and follow. Thank you.